3, 2, 1.
Anthony, my friend, welcome back. Jason Jordan here, back with you for day number 7 of how to turn $20 into a full-time income step by step. Okay. Now today we're going to go over just how to set up a Facebook group. Facebook is very important in this whole process. So first, let me jump over to, let's just do a quick recap. So just to recap, so far, we have gone over logging in and creating your account. That's done. Join our Facebook community. That should be done. Sign up for our team email list. Set up your links. Time blocking for business. Set your goals. Very important. Know your avatar. All right, that's really good training. Set up your forwarding domains. We went through that in detail. Go through short form video training and examples. Direct messaging formula we went through. So today, right here, we're on step 11. Set up your Facebook group. Now, you may be thinking, why do I need lessons on Facebook? Well, let me tell you. Let me get this my other sheet here. Facebook is can be very finicky, and there's a particular way that you need to go through and set things up. So before I jump into that, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Please ring the bell so you get these updates whenever they come out. I'm going to try and stay up to date with these so that you guys always know what's going on and that you can learn daily on exactly how to do these things that we have listed inside this free training funnel. Okay, this free training system. It's an amazing system, and we show you everything that you need to do, and we give you everything for free whenever you sign up. Okay, so let's jump into that. We'll go back into our training site right here. And there we go. And we're going to come down and go right to, there's our Facebook. Now, each one of these tabs, as you'll notice, they all have a lesson PDF right here. They also all have a little video. My internet is being a little bit slow right now, so let's just give it a second. And I will show you this video. Right there. Okay, so Facebook overview and purpose. This tells you exactly why we do this. All right. It's got a little PDF to get you started. Then we go over in detail how to set up your Facebook group. So if you're new or you've never done a Facebook group before, this tells you exactly how to go about getting that done. So, I mean, there's no guesswork. We don't expect you to have to guess to do anything. You honestly don't have to go to Google and look at anything up. You don't have to go to YouTube and look at anything up because it's all right here inside our free training group. Okay. So here you go. Here's how to set up your group. And there's a lesson PDF right here. And again, a lot of this stuff looks really simple, but there is a lot of science behind everything in here. Okay. You're going to go through, things are better when you write them. So you want to go through and you want to use these and you want to write them down. And then you want to go through all your checks. Okay. Let's see. Group guides and what to post. Okay. We're going to tell you how to post and what to post inside so you can get engagement. Okay. So again, there's a lesson PDF. And you're going to go in here and you're going to go through this PDF while you get this done. That way you are sure that you don't miss any steps. Okay, we don't want you to miss any steps. And again, there's a video instruction guide inside here. And this is all free. This is all free. You don't You don't have to pay anything for any of this. We've done this, and we're just giving it away. Then you're going to go, so RVL, results, value, and lifestyle. Okay. So this is, again, posting, right? How to post, what to post. And you're going to have a PDF for that right here. Okay. So it's very convenient with the videos and the PDF. There's your video. All right, and we've got a lot of live videos in here, or how to do live videos. Sorry. This is like your Facebook lives and things like that. So this is instruction on how to go about getting those done. We have some of the leaders are crushing it with Facebook lives, and they're doing great. And right inside here is the training on how to go about doing those and making those pay you over and over and over. Okay. So this is all very good. Now, I know a lot of people are against Facebook groups and Facebook in general. I understand that, but Facebook is an amazing source for potential leads, for people that want this. Okay. So your Facebook reels, your Facebook posts, directing people to your Facebook group so you can kind of take them out of the larger group, and now you've got them in a centralized location. So those people are interested in what you're doing. If they're in your group, they're interested in what you're doing. Okay. We tell you what questions to ask whenever they are wanting to join your group, have the privacy set up. That way, you know firsthand, is it someone that's actually interested that wants to come in your group? If yes, then you want that person in there. Okay. You have the power to let people in your group or to keep people out of your group. And you have the power to kick people out of your group if they get there and they're not who they said they were, or they don't want to do what they were telling you that they do want to do. All right. So it's a great place to learn. You've got a captive audience at that point with having a Facebook group. Now, what you can do is when you're out there and you can post on Facebook, hey, I've just started this group. It's for new marketers or anybody that's interested in affiliate marketing or network marketing, or wants to make money online. That you can have them apply with the questions to get into your group, where they can then start learning and become potential customers and teammates, right? Because they would now come on your team, and now they would have all the info that they need. Number one, through your group, through your training that you're doing with them. Okay. And number two, with this funnel training system that we have. Okay. This free system. So this is really, it's really an amazing process, how this is all set up and how this is all going. Okay. You're not going to find this anywhere else. I promise you, this is not out there anywhere else. This is only out there for our team, for this business model. Okay. So, take a good look at this. Once you get in, you're going to take a good look at this. You're going to do as instructed. And guys, if you've made it this far in this series and in these videos, and you have not watched the others, and you have not joined us, then I got to ask, why? What's the holdup, really? And why waste your time? If you're not interested, then why waste your time watching these videos? These videos will not do you any good at all unless you go join our team and then go all the way back to the beginning and do step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay. When you get to that point and you're doing these, you want to do step 1, watch that video, get the training done, and execute. Okay. Then you want to do the next day. You want to watch that video, get the training, and then execute. Okay. That's the way this is designed. It's not designed to just run through just for something to watch. All right. It's designed to help you day by day. Once you get going with us, to help you day by day go through each of those steps so that you can be successful. And guys, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, I would sure appreciate the subscribe. It just helps me out. It's free to subscribe. It's free information. Just like this training site that we have for our team. It's all free. We're giving it to you because if we can be successful, we want everyone else to be able to have that same success with us. Okay. So it's a great program. Great people, amazing people. The team is awesome. Can't really say enough about the team. And we're getting bigger and bigger, and we can't wait to have you on here with us. So don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. I appreciate you coming by, and go join. Let's get this going. Later.